Hi everyone, I'm a tutor here at mathsandenglish.net, and today I will be talking to you about how to divide a given quantity into two parts in a given part-to-part or part-to-whole ratio, and also we'll learn how to express the division of a quantity into two parts as a ratio. So I thought that the best way to do this is to work through some examples and figure out the method for each of those curriculum points. So, the first question says to us that in a classroom there are 12 boys and 14 girls. So overall we can figure out how many students we have in the classroom. So 12 plus 14, that will be 26 students, right? Cool. Then it says to us, find the part-to-part ratio, so the ratio of the boys to the girls. What does this mean? So all these students, the 26 students, have been divided into boys and girls. So those are the two parts that make up the whole number of students. So what we have to do is write the ratio of the boys to the girls. We know the exact numbers of how many boys we have and how many girls we have, so we can just write it down. That will be 12 to 14. We can also simplify this ratio and it will be 6 to 7. If you can't remember how to simplify ratios, then have a look at our previous video which explains exactly how to simplify those. Cool. The next part of the question says to us that we need to find the part-to-whole ratio for both the boys and the girls to the total number of students. So let's first find out the part-to-whole ratio of the boys to the whole number, and then we'll do the girls to the total number of students. So we know in terms of part for the boys, we know we have 12 boys, so 12, and we know how many students we have overall, so that'll be 26. Again, we can simplify this and it will give us 6 to 13. And that's our simplified ratio. And then we can find out the part-to-whole ratio for the girls to the total number of students. So that will be 14 to 26. Again, we can simplify this and it will give us 7 to 13. Cool. Now let's have a go at the next question, which says that Maria has £50. She would like to spend £20 on books and the rest on a new skirt. So we can figure out straight away how much she would like to spend on a new skirt by subtracting 20 from £50. So 50 minus 20, that will be £30 on a new skirt. Cool. Then it says, express this as a ratio. So we have to express the two amounts that she would like to spend on books and a new skirt as a ratio. We know how much she would like to spend on books, so £20. And we have to write this as a ratio to the money that she wants to spend on a new skirt, so that'll be £30. Now this ratio hasn't been simplified, so if we simplify it, it will be 2 to 3, as we're dividing both numbers by 10. Cool. Now that we've had a go at these questions together, how about you pause this video and attempt those two questions that I've attached on here yourself. After you've completed them, unpause the video and I will reveal the answers to you. Now that you've had a go at those questions, please don't forget to let us know how well you got on with them. And I have just attached the answers to both questions on here. So the first question and the second question. In our next video, we will be covering how to apply ratios to real contexts and problems, such as those involving comparison, conversion, mixing, scaling, and concentration. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next lesson.